Hello, good evening, everybody. Spirit says do not be tempted to lower your standards. The most difficult part of a situation is over and there's happiness coming into your life. They say whenever you talk to them, it never goes unheard. We hear every word. This is your confirmation that we are assisting you, guiding you, and ensuring your wishes finally come to fruition. Be patient. Everything will come together for you. Tend to the small things and watch and wait. Spirit has a plan. You're going to get information very soon, and this is going to make you excited for the future. Take this time to heal the past. There are opportunities waiting for you. Where you would had dealings with a man, they say don't allow negative emotions to fester. If you are feeling frustrated, angry, or hurt, for example, just acknowledge that. Instead of fighting those feelings, go with them and work with them. True healing can only begin then. They say take things slowly, it will work out. You are going to get the recognition that you deserve. They say nothing is wasted and you're going to have reason to celebrate. You must start seeing the big picture because there are improvements already underway and divine wishes are going to be granted. They want you to know that you have the power to help and heal others. You are gifted in that way. And they say you are also a spiritual teacher and you must share your wisdom with others. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.